Hey guys, this is Vanessa, and today I'm going to be talking about the Studio Makeup On-The-Go Eyeshadow Palette. This comes in several different color palettes. I have it in like the nude, brown, black tones. Those are just the colors that I like. I think I have one in like that has like some purple, lavender, silver tones, which is also really pretty. So on the back, the description of this says it is a combination of shades that updates the bare beauty look with a cosmopolitan attitude. With this travel size palette, you can create the prettier urban makeup look and go studio from day to night. I don't really know if I would consider this a travel size palette. It's kind of big, to be honest. I don't know, it's probably like the size of my hand. I guess I can show you like compared to like a cell. This is the 7 Plus, so it's like the big phone, and it's like, I don't know, I would not consider this to be travel size, but I mean, okay, that's what they're advertising it as. So this, I believe you can get this anywhere. I actually got this in like a BoxyCharm box, which is a subscription box that they send different things to you each month, and I'm like totally obsessed with the colors. Let's see, on the back it shows you all of the ingredients, the weight of it, which is 13.5 grams, made in the USA. It does contain carmine as a color additive, so just like something to be aware of, something to know. So yeah, so let's go ahead and open this baby up. It's a like magnet type of thing, so it's not like a snap. Like you can hear it, the magnet closing. So like you don't have to worry about it opening, but it's not like a snap or anything like that. It is just a magnet that closes it. And there you go. I have gotten a lot of use out of this palette. This color, the first color, is like really good for like your inner eyes and just like highlighting, and then it does have some matte shades and some metallics. So you've got like a cream here, which is, look at it, it's so pigmented. Cream here, then like a beige. This one is not that pigmented, but it's good as like a base color. That's like an orangey beige. This is like a true beige. You got brown, and then you got black, and then as far as your metallics, you have this nice like really light shade. I've got like eyeliner or something in that, not sure. And then this one's just a little bit darker than this one. I like to use this as like just my base. I'll put this on first, and then I'll go in with like this one. Obviously I love the metallic ones, and then I'll go in with this like copper color, and then like the brown. I love these two. These two are basically the same, except this one has some shine to it. I like don't know, maybe if I like to do this, you can, well, no, the camera doesn't do it justice. It is like shiny. Yeah, I don't know, it is shiny. I do wish that like the colors, the different shades had actual color names. I really like when they do that, and most palettes that I use do. So it's strange to me that this one doesn't. Like even on the back, like it doesn't have, it shows the shades on the back. I think it's interesting that they chose a black case to like, you can barely see these colors. But yeah, it doesn't tell you like what the actual names of the colors are, which I think is like one of my favorite things when it comes to eyeshadow palettes, because usually it's so creative and just really fun. There is no mirror on it. I do think that it could like definitely, like, I would love it even more if it had a mirror, because then it'd be really easy to do, like for something that advertises itself as like a travel product, you would think it would have a mirror, because it'd be really easy to just do your makeup on the go wherever you're at, you know, even if you don't have access to like a bathroom, or if you do it like on your way, on your commute or something. So like I said, I really think that this is not truly a travel piece. It is thin, I will say that, it is pretty thin. And the top of the case you can go all the way back, so maybe that's what they mean by it, like it's I don't know. I really don't know what they mean by travel size because it's just not. This is like, I do travel with it because I love this palette, but I wouldn't necessarily call it a travel size or like a travel palette. So yeah, the colors are pretty pigmented. I know that one really is kind of hard to see, maybe if it had like a different skin tone. There's the black. It's just really, really, really pigmented. It wipes off pretty easy. And I will say, it doesn't smudge though. Like, I can put this on in the morning, and at the end of the day, like, the color is still just as good. Like, it doesn't smudge, it doesn't really fade at all. I never have to like do any touch-ups or anything like that when it comes to this palette. So yeah, as far as the colors, I really, really love the colors. I love the pigmentation, like the eyeshadow itself. This is a really great palette. There are definitely a few things as far as like the packaging that I wish were different or had some added features, like the mirror, like the name or the names of the colors and things like that. But overall, I really do like this palette, and I'll probably keep using it for a while. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.